What's up everybody, welcome back to another video of Dom Adventures with Technology. And today I'm unboxing the GoPro Hero 8, the newest of the Hero lineup. And with no further ado, let's jump right into it.
Okay, so today I'll also be unboxing the tabletop tripod. And let's go through some specs of this. This has a 12 megapixel camera, 4K 60 video, 8K slow mode, a Hypersmooth 2.0, a Time Wrap 2.0, a 1080 pixel live streaming, a Live Burst Super Photo Plus HDR, a RAW lens, a rotational camera, speak to activate, and it's touchscreen. This is waterproof for 10 meters, 33 feet, and it is GPS. So, without further ado, let's unbox this. Okay, so you got a little pull tab at the bottom. Open this up. This over. And there's the GoPro right on top. But before we jump into the GoPro, let's go through what is in the box. You have a USB Type-C to a USB Type-A charger, a sticker for like a helmet, stick it onto a helmet, and your film. So, let's grab this. Whoa. Let's grab this, set that aside. There is a sticker on this. There we go. The little touchscreen's got a GoPro branding, your camera, your front screen, and this is the base that comes with it. In the box, the back side of the box, you have books, lots of books. You have your GoPro Plus, you have you use the GoPro app, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, questions, 2 GoPro stickers, and a user manual. Okay, so let's take this thing off its stand. In order to take it off its little stand that it comes with, just untwist this screw. Untwist. Okay, screws out, and it just pulls right off. The 2 little flaps fold right in. And on the side you have your pause, play, start and pause, start and stop. And then on the other side you have your power button. Okay, so set the GoPro aside, and then we'll unbox its tripod. This tripod goes up to 5 feet 5 inches. Sorry about that, 5.5 inches, not 5 feet, 5.5 inches. Okay, there we go. I picked these both up at Walmart. The GoPro was $299.99, and the tripod was $34.99. Oh boy, the accessories. This is your little GoPro holder, your actual tripod, legs open up, that side too. Here you have a carrying bag for it. You have the actual GoPro holder. This is kind of like the stuff you get on the end of a selfie stick. Just slides right onto the GoPro. Just like that. Alright, I'll piece this together and be back in a minute. Okay, so I just put the holder on. I didn't put the selfie stick holder. What you're going to do is you're going to take your GoPro, flaps out, You're going to take it and slide it right onto your thing. And you're going to take the screw that is provided with the GoPro. The tripod does not come provided with a screw. So you take the screw provided from your GoPro that you bought and you screw it in. Okay, screws all tightened up. And there's your GoPro. Moves pretty easily, but it definitely stays in its spot. You have the holding mode. There we go. Or that's as low as it goes. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. And please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thanks for watching Dom's Adventures with Technology. Have a nice one.